Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to see more about the online offers we have for you. In one of my online classes yesterday, we were discussing memorable nights out, and one of the students got talking about the last night out that she can remember having before lockdown. She went out with a few friends to celebrate her 30th birthday, and they ended up in a nightclub. And when she got there, she had a bit of a shock because she realised that almost everybody else in the club was still in their teens. They were like 16, 17, 18, and there she was celebrating her 30th. She felt, as she put it, like a fish out of water because she was the oldest person there by miles. When we're using superlatives or comparatives, we often emphasise degree by adding by miles or by a mile. So we might say, oh, that's my favourite book by miles, by a mile. I thought he was the best player on the pitch by a mile, by miles. Oh, if you ask me, that's the best show on TV at the moment, by a mile, by miles. If you have enjoyed this video, please click the like button below, share it with your friends, and in the comments section below, we'd love to hear examples of comparatives or superlatives where you might add by a mile or by mile.